back to this channel. I don't know why I am feeling like I need to start my YouTube channel again, because for a couple of months I wasn't posting. I deleted, I hid most of my videos that I had done previously. Today's a Sunday the 3rd of November, and I don't know why my soul or my spirit says I should go back to YouTube. Oh God, basically God is telling me to go back to YouTube. Let me not say spirit or whatever, but I know God is telling me to go back to YouTube. And I've been fighting it, and I'm like, but no, it's not giving me what I want. It's not doing what I had anticipated to do. And God's like, baby girl, go back to that channel. Don't know, maybe it's for you, whoever's watching right now, but Kendi Tunyiwe and Gemnage, my name is Tumeka. So I will answer to that call. Speaking of which, I was listening to a sermon by Stephen Furtick last weekend, I think last week Sunday. But this morning I was like going over my notes and like understanding the word for myself. And like he also mentioned in that sermon that whenever you hear a sermon or someone preaching, you should ask God, what are you trying to say through this person to me? Ne? And God, can you please make me understand the message that this person is saying and apply it to my life or for my life? Yeah, well, so I found that very, very, very profound. So every time you listen or go to church, sometimes you just listen just because of the sake of listening. But now if you have if you pray and be like, God, can you please unpack this message that this person is saying through you, this person, for me, it makes things so much, way, way, way much better. So the title of the message this week or last week was, God will work it in. At first it was like, okay, God will work it out. He started out saying God will work it out, and then he was like, no, everyone knows that saying that God will work it out, but sometimes God will just work it in. You'll be in a situation where you're like, okay, cool, the situation may not change, but you are changing. You don't realize that you are the person that's changing. It's either God is making you stronger, God is making you more obedient, God is teaching you patience in the season. And while you're waiting, and if your situation is not changing, then you have to sit and obey and listen to God and continue being present and continue obeying to God's word. Which I found that very interesting, because sometimes when he said you must always pray that God unpacks the message or relays the message to you through a person. So that's exactly what happened when I listened to that. And I was like, okay, cool, God, can you please say whatever you're trying to say through this person, ne? And so that I can also understand it and be able to apply it to my life. And then further on he continued, and then he's like, sometimes we may be in English. Sometimes God will take away resources in order to push you to be creative. And I was like, because sometimes we all want the money, we want everything to be sorted, we want easy things, but sometimes God will take away resources in order for us to push us to be creative, to push us to be inventive, to push us to be innovative, So it was such an amazing sermon. I'm so excited to also listen to it today, which was very profound, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, that was my 2 cents of this vlog entry. Today's plans, I have to shoot content. By the time I post this video, if I ever decide to post this video, I have a campaign with Vital. So right now, guys, my brief is dismantled. So I have a campaign with Beauty Bulletin and Vital. I was sitting through and listening, not sitting through, I was brainstorming because I have to do like 3 reels. So this week I have to do 1 and then next week I have to do another one, and the other week I have to do a third one. So I'm trying to brainstorm what kind of content do I want to put forward. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I wanted to start out my day with a nice jog, but I was like, I want to ease into this morning, slow ease into the morning, have like a slow Sunday, and then I'll just do my jog in the evening, like my sunset have like a sunset jog. So right now I'm just gonna chill and be lazy because I already started reading my Bible. I journaled, having coffee, and then I'm gonna read. My current read, guys, that I'm reading is called, I think, Innovations of Steve Jobs. It's such an amazing read, guys. It's such an amazing read. I am enjoying it. It's one of those books where you have to pace yourself to read it, and it's not like a fast read, you know, just like Sarah Jakes Roberts' book. It's not a fast read, guys. I don't know, some people read it fast, but for me, it wasn't a fast read because you have to apply whatever she's telling you or whatever she's writing in the book or suggesting in the book. So you must let whatever you just read marinate first, you know. So for me, it wasn't just a quick read. I'd read like maybe a chapter, then just let it sit and marinate. Another one, let it sit and marinate. So the main purpose of that book was to actually apply the steps that she gives you, apply the prayers, see how certain things are relevant in your life, reflect on certain things. Oops, guys, my hand is not sturdy. Actually, maybe I wonder, do I still have equipment, YouTube equipment? I wonder, do I still have tripods? Like I used to have like a small tripod, but with my move, guys, if you knew here, I moved. I freaking moved. Oh, guys, there's a lot to catch up on. Maybe I'll do a live update video at a later stage. But guys, I don't know what else I'm gonna show in this video today because there's barely nothing. Yesterday I made food, I cooked. Maybe I might insert clips because I did take videos. We'll see what the plan is for today, but for now I have nothing. Ooh, girl, girl maintenance needs to take place because on Sunday I need to shave my pits, need to shave the rest of my body. I'd say on a face mask, but I don't have face mask stuff. My skin has been so sensitive, so I'm still recovering. I didn't find rash on my face, but now I'm a bit better. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do a body maintenance maybe later on today because it's Sunday. I need to, it's a new month. Yeah, can't walk into a new month with old hair. Ew. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Please, I'm really trying here. Don't even know, but God said I must, so I'm doing it. Peace. Drink some OJ juice. I don't know, but you know, growing up I never used to love orange juice. I used to hate it simply because of the stuff. Is hated it. But now Ndala, I'm an orange juice girl, me. Okay guys, let me show you my breakfast. So it's literally cheese, a bagel with cheese and some orange. Yummy. Let's do a taste test. So this is my meal prep for today, but for next week we've got a green mixture, which is green beans and broccoli. We've also got carrots, and then we've got a chicken schnitzel over here. But for my schnitzel, on the day that I need to eat this, I'm gonna make like a nice cheese sauce because I've got the ingredients for a cheese sauce. I don't know whether I should make it now or what. Actually, I must make it now. Let me make it now. So I'm making my cheese sauce now for my schnitzel. I added a bit of flour, butter, cheese, a bit of black pepper, and aromat. Look at how beautiful my cheese sauce is. Yummy. So this is my meal prep for next week. I added the cheese sauce. This is my meal for today. It's a salad. I think means it, but maybe I'll eat half of it and then I'll take the rest for lunch tomorrow. And then I've got chicken, and then this is like leftover cheese sauce that I can have with like maybe veggies or something sometime in the week. Meal prep done and dusted. So this is for Monday, Tuesday, and this is for tonight, and then I'll figure out something to eat Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. So guys, I am back. It's a bit later in the day. I am drinking black coffee so that I am able to have the energy for my walk. I just finished also having dinner at the same time. Now about 10 minutes ago, finished washing dishes, finished doing my meal prep for next week. Life on J is beautiful, chef's kiss. It's but I was like, I know more at this point. I think the best part is doing your meal preps on a Sunday. Now Sundays, I don't look at them as Sunday cooking 7-course meals. If I feel like it, then I'll make something. But most importantly, Sundays are for meal prepping for the following week, so that I don't have to come back home and think about what am I going to cook, what am I going to eat, because I just want to alleviate stress one in my life. Otherwise, okay. So now I'm already done. I'm sorted for Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, we'll figure it out for Wednesday. So excited to go for a walk here. I feel like I'm fruiting. It's a perfect time to like take a walk so that my body can like digest basically which is a good thing, and then go home. So most probably I'm gonna have tea later on, maybe a fruit or something. Otherwise I'm good, I'm full. I had a green salad with a chicken, guys. Healthy living. Have this fanny pack when I walk. Sometimes I'll put in my headsets, and I love it. It's perfect for my keys and my cell phone as well. Sometimes I'll carry it like this, sometimes I'll carry it like this, depending on the mood. But sometimes I think I feel like carrying it like this. I need to adjust it a bit. My hot girl walk. The goal is to walk at least for an hour 30. I'll see how I feel. I'll see how I feel with it. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna walk for an hour just to get. I like walking on Sundays because Sundays it's chill. The roads are a bit more quieter. You can pray. I always use this time to pray. I'm uncomfortable today this evening. I'm really low. Always use this time to pray, yeah. Always use this time to pray and also set my intentions for the week, especially on Sunday. Like, what do I want to achieve this week? What is God telling me this week? How's this week gonna go and stuff like that, yeah. It's a pity I don't have like a visor, but I did put on the sunscreen. And it is sometimes. So I just want to tuck it in and see. Stop it. You can see because yeah. So get ready to go for a hotel walk. I'm doing prayer walk where I'm praying and looking at the same time. Guys, it's going well. I am 2 kilometers in, and yeah, it's going quite well, guys.